In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how you can achieve a pleasant audio even in a very noisy environment, a very windy environment. We're going to be doing this with Capcut, okay? So today that I'm filming this video, a birthday ceremony is going on and everywhere is a bit noisy. It's not like the regular ambience I get whenever I record my videos. However, I thought about it. A lot of people live in this kind of situation. Would they never create content? That's not possible. So that is why we're going to experiment this together to see how we are going to use Capcut to edit this video in a way that it doesn't sound too noisy and a bit pleasant to the ears. Okay, the focus of this video is actually using the voice isolation part of Capcut, what you can achieve with it. In the process of explaining that, I will not skip out other features that are available on the Capcut platform and also explain them to you, how you can use them to your advantage, and just tell you the reality of what you can expect with using this particular feature. Okay, so this particular video is very dear to my heart. I've always wanted to do something that is in my field, to be able to help people, because of us film videos in very noisy places and they look pleasing to the eyes to watch, but they are very, they hurt the ears. So that's what I'm here to share my 2 cents as we experiment together. Please watch this video to the end while I share with you guys everything, and then we get to talk in the comment section, okay, if it's a like or a dislike. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I love to share with you guys my life experiences because I feel like somebody out there will definitely gain 1 or 2 value. So that's why I come to talk about it here on my platform. However, if you are seeing my face for the first time, my name is Glory Rex. I love to share amazing content here on YouTube. You actually love it here. I have a lot of videos I have created around different topics that could be of interest. So I am going to leave some videos linked below in the description box of this particular video you are watching. When you're done with this one, please go check that one out in case you have anyone that would solve a problem for you or you could share with somebody. I would really love it. While you're at it, please subscribe to my channel. Just click the red cute subscribe button, turn on post notification. When I post another video, you are definitely notified. My returning subscribers, you guys are the best. I love you guys so much for all you do. Thank you so much. Let us talk about Capcut. So Capcut is that editing software that helps anybody edit video. You could be a beginner, you could be a pro. Capcut has the free version and the pro version. And bear in mind that there's some things you can edit on Capcut platform with internet and some without internet. We'll get to all of that. My focus in this video is going to be the audio part of Capcut. There's a lot to talk about Capcut. If you want me to talk about some features in Capcut, please let me know in the comment section. I'm going to oblige. Okay, so however, let us get straight into these particular features of Capcut. Let's start with what you see when you open Capcut. Okay, so when you open Capcut, for those that are starting a new project, of course, you upload your file to the workspace. The next thing is that some features actually pops, okay, on the other side of the screen, like you guys can see. When you look at your screen, you're going to get video, audio, speed, animation, tracking, and adjustments. All these, they're separate videos. If you want me to talk about them, I definitely will. I have basic and voice changer. So when you come to basic, there are features like volume to adjust the volume. That way you don't have unnecessary spikes. So there are different ways to go about this. So you can either trim from place to place where you want to adjust and increase or reduce to give your audio a particular level, or you just, adjust it anyhow you understand. You can adjust it. That's a different topic, okay? But I just thought to just throw a bit of light on that. The next one you see is fade in, fade out, however you want it. The next one is normalize your audio. Normalize loudness is more like calibration, okay? Just cutting down all your wave to a particular level that you can see that you're happy with, and you can also adjust as well. So the way this thing works is you just click on it. It's going to show you the number that is already normalized on. Okay, so the next feature you can see is the voice enhancer. So once you click on the voice enhancer, it brings out the intensity, how you want it to be. You can adjust to your liking. The next one is noise reduction. Noise reduction is just this particular box you can see. Just click on it and it's going to reduce the noise for you. So let me pause to say something. One thing about noise reduction on Capcut is that you cannot manipulate it to suit your preference, because the difference between having noise reduction on apps like Capcut and the likes and having it on a professional editing software like the likes of Adobe Audition or maybe DaVinci Resolve, the Fairlight version of it, or Pro Tools, etc. There are so many editing softwares, is that you have the option to be able to adjust, tweak it. You can even install plugins to get the particular noise reduction of your liking. Because this particular noise reduction here on Capcut, what I can say about it is that it is just a button. So it's already generated for you. The noise reduction I use when I'm inside is different from the one I use when I'm outside. So there are different ways you want to tweak it, especially if you are using professional softwares. However, Capcut has given beginners that option to be able to just click and the noise will be reduced. I'm going to say that you may not get 100% result, but you are going to at least get something that sounds okay. So listen and choose if it's good for your audio or not, okay? So that's just the bonus I'm going to add to that. So let us come to the elephant in the room, which is actually the voice isolation. Once you click on this stuff, it brings out the option for you if you want to keep the vocal or you want just the instrumental. That way you get to pick what you want. And why I like the voice isolation is that maybe I'm recording in a very windy place. It has a way of just isolating my voice, and that way I have something to boost, or maybe so that way I have something to work on because it has already helped me to isolate my voice. Or maybe I'm getting a clip from somewhere that already has music on it. I just click on it to just give me just the voice or the instrumental. But when it comes to that, you have to be careful as well, okay? But I'm just showing you guys this so that for those that are recording in maybe airplanes, your voice is already too into the background, so we can't really hear you. So with this particular feature, it could help to solve that problem. So the next part you can see here is fill channel. Either you're filling to the right, to the left, fill right with left, or fill left with right is an option for you. Before we leave, let's look at this voice changer. So there are so many options. So for those that want to filter their voice, for those that want voice character, for those that want speech to song, however way you want it, just so that's up to you to pick what you want. But like I said, the main focus of this video was actually the voice isolation part of it. So guys, to further our experiment, I'm going to record a video in a car and I'm going to add the voice isolation and without the voice isolation. So guys, I'm currently experimenting this Capcut feature that is voice isolation. Know what you think about this particular video. If it's something you've heard before, if it's something that was helpful to you, it's going to really encourage me to keep creating more things like this to be able to help you guys. Like I said in one of my videos, okay, I want to create more relatable content, and I'm very excited that I'm creating something that is actually in my own field because I'm an audio editor. This is the first time I'm putting out a video officially talking about how people can achieve very clean audio. I'm going to do more of things like this. Please watch this space, okay? However, let us get to this particular experiment. So guys, I'm currently experimenting this Capcut feature that is voice isolation. How it works. Let me know in the comment section what you actually think. Voice isolation clip needs to be within 15 minutes to be able to apply voice isolation. Like I said the first time, you need internet to make this work. That's one. Secondly, you also need to make sure that your clip is not longer than 15 minutes. You can just trim them and keep isolating from time to time till you get the desired result of your choice. So I'm doing this on my laptop and I'm doing this on this particular version of Capcut. Capcut is one software I know that they keep updating from time to time. You just, most times when you open your system, they keep telling you to update and they're adding more features, you know. I think you should watch other videos on YouTube that will help you get a lot more creative and also advanced in your video editing as well. That's where you get to be the pro that you actually want to be. There's a whole lot I want to share with you guys about what I have been able to discover in Capcut and I use in Capcut that makes my video actually pop. Because I'm not going to give spoilers, but in a separate video, I'll tell you guys, do you actually know that I also enhance my makeup on Capcut? Yep, I do. That is one secret I'm going to share with you guys in another video. That's why you have to subscribe to my channel. Guys, share with you guys how I do all of this, because with Capcut, you can smoothen your skin, you can wear contact lens, you can do a whole lot that you don't even have when you're filming on set there and then. Please let me know if you want to see that video in the comment section. I'm definitely going to oblige you guys. Of course, all I only ask is that you watch my video so that I can actually be monetized, guys. I don't know if you guys can see the sweat on my face, but I'm going to try and clear this up with Capcut. If you want to know how I do that, you just have to subscribe to my channel and tell me, Glory, please show me how you add some effects on your face, on your body, on your skin. Capcut has a lot for us, guys. The aim of this video is to be able to show you guys some things you can do with Capcut. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I'm going to wrap up this video here by saying with Capcut, you can do a whole lot so fast you can think it, and it's available on Capcut. Is definitely not going to be that difficult, okay? If you're having any problems or how you can achieve certain things with Capcut, there's so many videos out there that you can watch. But if you want me to explain any one for you in details, I will definitely do that. I'm intentionally filming this video while all of this noise is going on. Like as I'm talking to you now, a car is driving in, so I'm going to play this clip with the raw audio and also play the clip with the edited audio, and I'll tell you guys what I've done so that you can actually take that step by step in case in case you live in a place like this, you cannot stop being a content creator because of where you live or who you are. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next video. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. I remain my humble self, Glory Rex. I'm so excited to be filming this particular video. It's a dream come true for me. I'm so happy, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.